Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So for today we are going to be tying a simple Ankara turban, something you can just tie for like, let's say 1 to 2 minutes. You just sweep this up and then boom, you're ready to go out. So if you're joining us here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. Let's get started. So for the video, I'm going to be starting off by folding the Ankara in a triangular shape and placing it on equal parts, like a 50-50 side turban. So I'm going to be flipping each of the handle of the turban on its opposite sides, like making a V-shaped. We are making a V-shaped turban, so I'm going to be flipping that on the opposite side and using the pin to secure that. In order to make the gele firm and make it more secured, I'm going to be asking her to turn around, and then I'm going to be tying that down with a knot. Is it? Yeah, with a knot. I'm going to be tying that down like this. So after I'm done, I'm going to be asking her to turn around so that you guys will see. You guys are always complaining I don't turn the back of my hair tie like that. So can you see this? Yeah. So after she turns around, I'm going to be folding the upper part of the Ankara. I'll be arranging that simply. I want it to stay very firm, so I'm going to be making sure it's all secured, and then I'm going to be making ruffles with the other side of the Ankara. Like we have 2 layers of the Ankara now at the back, since we have 2 opposite sides of the Ankara. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but I'm going to be using one part of it, like this shorter hand. I'll be using it to make ruffles. You can do anything you want to do, just be creative on your own, guys. I always tell you this, as far as the front part of your turban is neat, then there is no problem. Again, you don't have any issue with whatever it is you want to create at the top of your turban. So I'm going to be creating ruffles with that. It's just because the Ankara has too many patterns, you can't see how the ruffle looks, but that's how I'm going to be leaving it. Then I'm going to be taking the upper part of the turban, like the back, the remaining part of the Ankara, and making just like this flay thing on at the back. You just be creative on your own. You can also use that as a ruffle. It depends on how you want it to look like. So yeah, I'm just going to be pinning that down and making sure the whole like the rough parts of the Ankara is well secured. You don't want anything to look too unprofessional. Can you see that I'm just going to be tucking in all the imperfections of the Ankara? You don't want the label of the Ankara to show. You don't want the sewing to show. You don't want all that to show on your turban. So can you see that? Who loves this turban? If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Like his thumbs up now, yeah. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to suggest, and also don't forget to subscribe. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I love you guys so much. Thank you. We are now 5,000 subscribers strong. I want you guys to subscribe more. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.